Times Now's Megha Prasad is in Malé in the Maldives, where a political situation has emerged which is putting the government of India in a spot of bother. The former President Mohammad Nasheed, who sought refuge in the Indian High Commission in Malé, is actually, as of now, as of this minute, he is still very much holed up inside the embassy. An angry Maldivian government has told India not to meddle in its internal affairs, and Megha can tell us more. We are in a bit of a fix, but this is, some people were actually commenting that this sounds a little bit like Julian Assange caught up in the Ecuadorian embassy in London. But that was a political situation where the government of Ecuador decided that irrespective of how the British government thought, it would not let Assange out. Are they looking at a long haul for Nasheed? Because whichever way it is going to play out, Megha, the government of India is going to have to come to some kind of an understanding, I presume, with the Maldivian government. This is not a standoff that can continue for days, or will it? Oops, lost the line. I think there with Megha Prasad. Well, before I try and connect back with Megha Prasad, here's a new news report which came in some time back.
It has been over 24 hours since the former Maldivian President Mohammad Nasheed has taken refuge inside the Indian embassy. But this political crisis in the island has only put India in a diplomatic spot.
Sources inside the Indian embassy tell us that they are trying the best to open some sort of a negotiation between the current government of Maldives and the side of former President Nasheed, his party, the MDP. In fact, supporters and his former ministers, his party members, they are all being allowed inside the Indian embassy to meet him.
We are looking forward for some sort of negotiation, at least to free him, and also for us to have a fair chance to really come out freely and vote for him.
The Indian embassy, of course, trying their best to ensure that some sort of a middle path is brought about and that the situation gets diffused, because at this moment, a bit of, anti-India sentiments has also started gaining ground.
The government, however, choosing to remain silent over this brewing diplomatic standoff, claiming that talks are still on with Maldivian government.
We are working on the background. I hope that we can come to a resolution of the present situation, which is to the satisfaction of everybody. But it's still an ongoing process.
With the upcoming elections in Maldives, the crisis in Malé is unlikely to end anytime soon.
The MDP party believes that the current government is trying to ensure that the opposition is completely eliminated by trying to fix the former president Mohammad Nasheed in one or the other judicial cases, thereby ensuring that he is unable to stand for election.
With India choosing to take sides in a political face-off in foreign lands, it will be a tough walk on the diplomatic tightrope. With Megha in Malé, Devina Gupta for Times Now.